If you think it can't get worse, think again. Central and Eastern Europe is underwater. Heavy rains since Friday have caused severe flooding in Austria, the Czech Republic, Germany, Hungary, Poland, Romania, and Slovakia. Tragically, 7 lives have been lost, with 5 in Romania alone. Residents are being evacuated as submerged homes and wrecked businesses dominate the landscape. The severe weather isn't letting up, raising fears of more flooding and damage. Emergency services are on high alert, ready to assist. Stay tuned for updates. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share for more news and updates like this.